Greetings everyone, welcome to Kirk School here Auto TV. Remember to subscribe, comment, share and also hit the notification bell. Today we're going to do a conversion on this Toyota Axio. What we're going to do is convert a clutch compressor and the air conditioning system. So originally on this engine it comes with a solenoid compressor, but it's bad, so we're going to remove the solenoid compressor and put on a clutch one on it. The first thing we do is remove the gas out of the system before we start to pull the pipes. What we are doing right now is remove the belt from the compressor. So this is the compressor, guys, that we're taking off. Removing the compressor. So guys, the difference with the clutch one here and the solenoid one here is that the solenoid valve will activate the compressor and build a compression inside of it when you turn on the air conditioning system, and also everything spins together on the front. So once I start the engine, everything will spin together, but for the clutch one is that the pulley will spin free. The pulley will spin free, and the only time the clutch will spin with the pulley is when I turn on the air conditioning system inside of a car, and the coil will send a magnetic field and chip in the clutch face and the pulley. So that's the difference. So what we are doing right here now is remove the pipes and the compressor, which is the clutch compressor. Gotta make sure that we put some oil in the compressor to make sure that it lubricates. So we are making the adjustment by heating the pipe and bend it. So guys, in the process of heating this outside pipe to adjust it for the compressor, that normally happens based on the turn. If I want to almost hit a 90-degree turn, the pipe will crack. So what we're going to do right now is weld it. What we're gonna do now is weld it. Put the light away. So we tighten about the belt, start the engine, turn on the AC. You can see the compressor running. We are regassing it now. We do a little modification to the current that go to the compressor. If that do not do the right way, what will happen that the clutch, pulley and coil will burn up.